Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you to another video. This is a very, very hot story, and I want you guys to just benefit from it quickly before the end of the year. Okay, a guy called me and he explained some certain things to me and everything. Oh, team Misfire, oh Misfire, that means oh Misfire. Oh, get it? And to ba fe aya ti o se tie. Oh Misfire aya niye. Oh Misfire. Oh yeah, oh Misfire niye. Okay, he told me that he brought this girl from Nigeria, beautiful girl. Show me the picture. I was like, Jesus Christ, not knowing baby any agenda to bad gun. Okay, when you go over to Nigeria and he say, oh, you left America. All these women here in America, they are not good enough for you. Now travel all the way to Nigeria, and then your friend now introduce one fine girl to you. That fine girl is not in your league, yo. Is not in your class at all. Then you are now saying, when they get hooked up with this girl, came back to America, fight for this girl, did everything, brought this girl into America. The lady said to him, don't worry, my dear, I'm going to go to school. When I finish school, then you will go to school and stuff. So she started doing LPN. And this guy was driving a cab. Was driving a cab all around the place. Night and day, afternoon. My dear, we'll quickly go. This woman finished LPN. She didn't work. She jumped straight to her end. This guy is still driving taxi. And every time the woman will say, I'm pregnant. The 2 days after, the pregnancy is gone again. I'm pregnant. The pregnancy is gone again. And that was the way they were living after she finished her registered nursing course. Okay? Then she got a job. She got a job after 1 year. She told the guy, you are not my class. Okay? Now, I have paid you everything I owe you. All the school fees that you paid, all the rent that you paid, the food on the table and everything. I have paid you. The woman said, how did you pay me? You've been sleeping with me. Do you think somebody like you on a normal level can even call me to ask me out? So I gave you that. You're supposed to be paying me $500 per round. But I didn't take any money. So calculate how many times we slept together. So that's actually the payment of whatever you've done for me. Took the wedding ring out. Throw it to the guy. Divorce paper. Oh yeah, sign it. The bobo entered the state. This guy shared the whole story with me, and tears started rolling down my eyes when this man finished talking. All his investment. Now the man is not possible for him to go to school anymore because he's a old guy and all those stuff. He's going to continue driving taxi. Okay, so this is a warning. Mommy is fire. Oh yeah. Oh, lost in Nigeria. You're going to Nigeria. Oh, love Misfire niye. To bad luck big be wale. Nǹkan tí ó ń ṣe ẹrù ẹ tó lọ gbé ó rò pé wọ́n ló le tó lè ìwọ ló lọ ní bad man. Yeah, I'm a bad man in America. Ó máa Misfire ni o. Kò yẹ. Tóbìnrin bá ti jẹ́ obìnrin tó yẹ pé òun ló ń nẹ̀ ń lé. Òun náà ló tó ń bú sẹ́kún. Wàhálà ni o. What am I saying? If a woman is beating you in the house, torturing you and pinning you, and when people enter the place to come and settle quarrel, she will be the one crying. Ó ti gbé. Àwọn èèyàn kan rí ẹbí aláìdágbé dádì Ìjọkẹ́ kí ló dé ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń nọrọ obìnrin báyìí. Wọ́n máa wò pé rárá òun ló ń nà mí ìwà ní báwo ló ṣe ń nà yín obìnrin ló sunkún yìí ṣẹ́yìn sunkún ni. I'm telling you, ó ti Misfire nìyẹn o Misfire pátápátá o Misfire ya onópè bẹ́ẹ̀. So shine your eyes. Ó lè mi ṣe máa ń sọ, always run things by your pastor. When it comes to relationship, mo fẹ́ ìyàwó sá ẹ bá mi fojú ẹ̀mí mímọ́ wò sá. Mi ò ní kó gbé ìyàwó ẹ lé wọn lọ́wọ́ o. Mi ò ní kó gbé marriage àbí family ẹ lé pastor lọ́wọ́ o. But place the pastor is for him to spiritually look at things for you. Sá, obìnrin náà rí ẹ bá mi fojú wo pastor kan wà díjú kan àlà kan á òkè ẹkùn lélẹ́yìí tó fẹ́ o. Tètè rán o. Ilé tó bá ní ìdàwẹ̀ wọ́n á gbàwẹ̀ sí. Ilé tó bá ní ìdíkà tú dànù abáṣà sọ fún mi pé tú dànù ó yẹ kó gbọ́ ẹ̀mí language ẹ̀mí ni mo fi bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wá tú dànù straight ni Go, yeah, my you one go. He's in trouble right now. Oh yeah, all his investment, all his money, everything gone. The woman now back in town. One dress everything. He doesn't know about the judgment is coming on her. Understand? But he has ruined the life. She has ruined the life of that man. So shine your eyes. Christmas is coming. New Year is coming. 2016, lay a better foundation for your life. I'm telling you. And the Lord will be with you in Jesus' name. 1.